Hello students. So we have discussed about all kinds of adverbs. Now we are going to do few more exercises related to chapter adverbs. Okay. So first of all I want to tell you the difference between adverbs and adjectives. कुछ लोग बहुत ही कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि एडवर्ब क्या है और एडजेक्टिव क्या है. ओके. सो आई फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू क्लियर द difference between adverbs and adjective. So look at the difference. What is difference between adverb and adjective? So adjectives tell us more about nouns. You all know that an adjective is a word which qualifies or modifies any noun or pronoun. So adjectives tell us more about nouns. जो हमारे adjectives होते हैं वो किसी noun या pronoun को modify करने का means उसको qualify करने का work करते हैं. For example, she sang in a sweet voice. Here, sweet is adjective and it is modifying the noun voice. Okay, so this is adjective here. Okay. Now, adverbs tell us more about a verb, an adverb or an adjective, but never a noun. लेकिन जो एडवर्ब होते हैं वो हमें किसी वर्ब या फिर किसी एडवर्ब या किसी एडजेक्टिव के बारे में बताते हैं, ना कि किसी नाउन के बारे में. ठीक है. मीन्स एडवर्ब किसी नाउन को क्वालिफाई करने का वर्क नहीं करते हैं. एडवर्ब्स टेल अस मोर अबाउट अ वर्ब, एडवर्ब्स और एनी एडजेक्टिव. मीन्स वो किसी वर्ब को, किसी एडवर्ब को, किसी दूसरे एडवर्ब को या फिर किसी एडजेक्टिव को क्वालिफाई करने का वर्क करते हैं. ओके. सो दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस of adverb and adjective, between adverb and adjective. Okay, so now we are going to do few more exercises related to adverb. So your first question is, circle the adverbs of manner in the following sentences and underline the verbs they are added to. Means आपको जो adverb of manner है उन्हें circle करना है और उस verb को अंडरलाइन करना है जिसके बारे में वो बता रहे हैं. मीन्स जिसको वो क्वेरीफाई करने का वर्क कर रहे हैं. सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज द गर्ल सैंग मेलोडियसली. हेयर विच वर्ब इज एडवर्ब. सो यू हैव टू सर्कल द एडवर्ब. सो मेलोडियसली इज एडवर्ब हेयर बिकॉज इट इज टेलिंग द, इट इज मॉडिफाइंग द वर्ब सैंग. ओके. द गर्ल सैंग इन व्हाट मैनर. So melodiously. That's why this is your adverb of manner. So circle this and underline the verb sang. In the second sentence, the students spoke politely. So politely is adverb here. Okay. So you have to circle it and spoke is verb. So underline it. Now in the third sentence, Jyoti ran fast. So which word is adverb here? Fast. Because it is modifying the verb ran. So you have to underline it and circle this. Number 4 is she smiled shyly. Shyly is adverb here. So circle it and underline the verb smiled because it is modifying the verb smiled here. Next is the child cried bitterly. So which word is adverb here? Bitterly, because it is giving the answer of in what manner. Okay. How did the child cry? Bitterly. So bitterly is adverb of manner. So circle it and underline the verb cried. In the sixth sentence, you should drive carefully. So carefully is adverb here and this is adverb of manner. So circle it, underline the verb drive because it is modifying the verb drive here. In the seventh sentence, India played well. So well is adverb. ये मैंने आपको बताया था कि कुछ एडवर्ब्स ऐसे होते हैं एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर जिसमें लास्ट में एल वाई नहीं आता है. ओके. जैसे आपका वेल हो गया, फास्ट हो गया, तो इसमें लास्ट में एल वाई नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन ये हमारा एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर ही है. ठीक है. तो इंडिया प्लेड वेल. वेल इज एडवर्ब हियर एंड इट इज मॉडिफाइंग द वर्ब प्लेड. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज शालिनी लिसन्स टू द टीचर अटेंटिवली. सो अटेंटिवली इज योर adverb of manner and it is modifying the verb listens. So underline this. Next is they lived happily. So which word is adverb here? Happily, because it is qualifying the verb lived and in what manner. She lived. How did they lived happily. How did they live happily? So happily is giving the answer of in what manner and how. That's why this is your adverb of manner and underline the verb lived. Next is Mehika dances gracefully. So gracefully is giving the answer of in what manner. That's why this is your adverb of manner and dances is verb, so underline it. Now look at the question number B. Circle the adverbs of time in the following sentences and underline the verbs they are added to. Now in this exercise you have to underline the adverbs of time and you have to circle the adverbs of time and underline the verbs they are added to. मीन्स जिस वर्ब को मॉडिफाई कर रहे हैं उसे आपको अंडरलाइन करना है और एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम को सर्कल करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज वी विल गो टुमारो. विच वर्ड इज एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम हियर? टुमारो, because this is giving the answer of when. Okay, so this is your adverb of time. Circle it and underline the verb go because it is modifying the verb go in this sentence. In the second sentence, they lived in London then. So then his adverb of time, circle it and underline the verb lived because it is modifying the verb lived here. Next one is they get up early. So early is adverb of time. Okay, and it is modifying the verb get up, so you have to underline it. Next one is yesterday was a holiday. ये मैंने आपको बताया था कि जो आपके एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम हैं वो सेंटेंस के बिगनिंग में भी आ सकते हैं, इधर इन द बिगनिंग ऑफ अ सेंटेंस, ओके, और एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. वो आपके सेंटेंस के स्टार्टिंग में भी आ सकते हैं उसको एम्फेसिस करने के लिए, और आपके सेंटेंस के एंड में भी आ सकते हैं. सो इन दिस सेंटेंस yesterday is adverb of time, so circle it and it is modifying the verb was. Was is main verb here. Okay, so underline it. Next sentence, my birthday will be celebrated tomorrow. So tomorrow is adverb of time and celebrated is verb, so circle it and underline the verb celebrated. In the next sentence, Vivek came to the party afterwards. So afterwards is adverb here, so circle it and underline the verb came because it is modifying the verb came here. Next sentence, he came today. Today is adverb of time and it is modifying the verb came, so circle it and underline the verb came. Next sentence is I will call him now. So now is adverb of time, so circle it and underline the verb call because it is modifying the verb call here. Okay guys, so we will do more exercises of adverbs in the next video. Thank you class.